ba? Gatas pa, di ba? Pa! Pa! Pa!
Hello everyone, my name is Prince. I'm going to memorize a verse from Psalm 23 verse 1 to 6. Psalm 23 verse 1 to 6. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He leads me lie down on the green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me to the path that is righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare the table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and have it dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Everything I am